What's up, guys? Today we're gonna go
hit some
deadlifts and arms. You know, my gluteus maximus is kind of fried right now, but it's okay. We'll still deadlift. Yeah.
I don't understand.
Type shit we on, bro.
I need to take Lex a little free and I'm gonna be off the perk.
I want to be off a perk.
Bro, look, audience, we are cooked, bro. If I don't get a snow day tomorrow, brother, we are dying right now. We are in the winter wonderland, bro. Like, that have been many times, bro. We stop at the stop sign, I press the brakes and it goes, my ABS goes, and I almost hit somebody. Only once, actually, but, like, look how much snow there is on the ground. Like, this is mess, bro. If we don't get a snow day.
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Oh, have we fallen from glory?
Wait, your shit fits in it.
It does actually?
That's our shit. Your shit does not fit.
Hey guys, we're on the way to the gym. As always, we're gonna shout out Barbells Cookies and Cream.
Barbell?
Barbell, yeah, he told me it's Barbell.
It's on a small
Barbell Cookies and Cream sponsor, please.
We just got here. The Barbell in the pre-workout is not sitting right in the old tummy right now. I'm gonna have to take that tactical doo-doo real quick before we hit that lift. Today is arm day. First arm day recording. I'm gonna get in there. I will start with tries because I feel like that's my weaker suit of the sort. But I'll get in there and start on the what's it called? Skull crusher machine. But yeah, I love that machine, but I'll get in there and show you. This is the last exercise here, some rope. So we'll finish off tricep and we'll go check the pump real quick and we can move on to bicep.
There's no rolly trays. We're gonna toaster baths ourselves.